Never say no, auto, we say yes!
Make a great choice today with the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Come see us at Never Say No Auto in Springfield on Glenstone across from Evangel, or in Bolivar, 1 block south of Walmart.
Never say no, auto, we